Let's look at the pound dollar. Okay, so the news, first of all, look, the price is nicely respecting. We have price went up in the morning, especially we have this morning, we had a short trade here, then we had a long trade here. Right now, for me to look at, because the data is about to come 3 p.m. and 2:45 basically for the dollar. And if I see the news is bad for the dollar, then I'm expecting one more push to the upside. And if the news is good for the dollar, then I'm expecting one more push to the downside around this level. So we're going to look at the once the news is going to come, then we can figure out. But right now, if you look at the intraday point of view, this is what I'm expecting here is this is the point of interest. You can see here the price previously respected here. We have another way to look at it. We can see here the price came back and developed pullback. That might be a one more push to the upside here. Safest way, I would say, let the price break this one. And if you look at here, price has already developed this light magenta line. You can see here, this one. So if the news is bad for the dollar, then I'm expecting a one push, then keep taking a pullback. If the price break, give us the confirmation, then look for the short. While the price is here, avoid, so unnecessary headaches. Let the price give us the clear direction. I hope that makes sense. Okay. So I'm looking this breakout opportunity on pound dollar. Dollar yen. What a beautiful long trade, guys. Beautiful. So that's give me technically this if you look at this give me a false breakout. That give me the one continuation to the upside. But price is many times respected here. Let's see here the news. News is important, guys. If the news is bad, then I'm expecting continuation to the downside and look for the pullback. But or if the news is good, then look for this one. So you have to wait for the news, guys. But based on the price action, the previous analysis, if you look at it, pretty straightforward. Look for consolidation. While the price was in consolidation, pay attention to detail at the bottom. You can see the momentum is bullish. So our bias is bullish. Pretty standard, straightforward. And even in the previous price action is telling us one more push to the upside. Nice coffee. All right. So what I'm saying in previous price action, always pay attention to detail. If I'm going to be taking a trade, I'm going to look at the previous price action, what the previous price action is telling us, the story. And if you look at the story here is we have inverted head and shoulder pattern. Price nicely broke on this one. As long as the price is above this one, so more likely I'm looking for long. So every time when the price come back here, long here. One of the traders is squeezing amazing profit. Every time when the price comes here, long. Every time when the price comes a force break, I just get out and look for another pullback, long, short, here. So the thing is like, that's why we keep repeating all that information all the time, giving you guys these kind of analysis. But even if you're not sure, but this one should not be missed. We have this impulsive correction and impulsive nicely. So I hope you should have banked some good profit now. Okay, so what is next? Okay. So if you look ahead, this is high is been broken and the pretty straightforward. Okay, so price is broken. So you can see here price come back and retest. Once the price retest this level, that gives us the high probability of continuation. So you should have taken this trade. If not, let's wait for the news for the dollar and let's see here how that's going to make impact. Okay, so I'm going to do this analysis just in case. Okay, so we have this area point of interest and I'm looking for another pullback. Pretty standard, straightforward. And if the price break develop a false breakout, give us the confirmation, then I'm looking for short. So we are looking here at this price action, price previously respected. We have another wedge has been developed. We have this side area. So I would say we can see here, respected here, respected here, respected here, also respected, respected, respected. So let the price come out from this zone and then look for the opportunity accordingly. Okay.